Hello, welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and if you are one of the first 10,000 viewers of this video, stay tuned to find out what you've won. The question goes as such. What do you recommend I use to test my pool's water, Rob?
Well, a lot of pool owners will take their water into a pool store and have them check it out. I personally like to do it myself and make the adjustments. Really, there's two main options. It's either the strips or drops. I mean, there are those digital testers, but those don't seem to be as accurate yet. Maybe the technology will improve. But right now, we'd say either strips or drops. I've used the strips. I'm not a huge fan of them. They're good for if you just want to see if you have a good chlorine level. But the other chemical, it's just hard to tell when you have about 15 seconds once you dip the strip and check, the colors. It's hard to gauge between the different colors. I personally really don't like them, but so I like the drops. You want to look for a good test kit. Taylor makes a really good test kit. This is the one I use, like the K2005 model. It's a DPD FAS tester, which means it can test higher chlorine levels, as well as free chlorine, total chlorine, pH, calcium, alkalinity, cyanuric acid. It tests all the major things that you want to look for. With drops, the reagents are good for about a year. You want to keep the test kit probably inside in a cool area, because if you leave it outside in the heat, it ruins the reagents. So you want to change those at least once a year. But as far as how often you want to test the water, what do you usually tell pool owners?
Well, you usually want to maybe, on average, test your pool water once a week. Some people might have you do it 2 or 3 times a week, but generally you only need to do it once a week just to make sure everything is in its proper level. If you're doing a chemical treatment, or if you're getting rid of algae, cloudy water, or something like that, then you need to test more often. Maybe once in the morning, once in the evening, or however long you feel however often you need to test your pool water. But generally, once a week is about all you need all you need to do.
Yeah.
And I think that ends it.
That almost ends it.
Oh, what?
What did they win for first 10,000?
We've come to find out what you've won is the gift of knowledge. And congratulations. Thank you for sticking with us. If you have any questions about how to redeem your gift of knowledge, or questions about chlorine or pool water, please leave a comment down below. And for all things pool and spa, please visit us over at InyoPools.com. Bye.